Hi, my name is Megan, and I'm with the Civic and Community Engagement Office here at Buffalo State. I'm going to talk about how to plan a service project for a student organization and the steps you should take to do that. So the first step is to think about the interest, goals, constitution, and bylaws of your student organization and its members. Is your student organization focused on a sport, skill, major, something else? Next, think about participation and transportation. How many of your student organization members would be interested in participating in a service project? This is important to consider when searching for a service project, since community organizations will need to be able to plan to have enough staff to assist you, tasks for each of your members who will participate, and enough supplies. Also, how will your student organization travel to the site of the service project? Will you use your own vehicles, public transportation, or is it within walking distance? The next step is to think about the schedule. Think about your organization's schedule for the semester. When would you like the event to occur? When do you have other events going on for the student organization for the semester that might conflict that you need to work around? Also, how long do your members have to spend on the service project? Do you have a whole day, a few hours, or multiple days, such as a whole weekend? Keep in mind, you should try to be flexible depending on what the community partner needs as well. Do you think that your student organization doesn't have any time for a service project? Even if you don't think that your student organization has the time to set aside a few hours or part of a day to complete a service project, there are still ways to get involved, such as organizing an item drive. Check out Orca, which I'll talk about on the next slide, for a list of drive possibilities. So Orca is the online resource for career advancement. You might have used it to search job opportunities, internship opportunities, or work-study opportunities here on campus. You can also use it to search for service projects and volunteer opportunities as well. So you can just follow the link I provided on the screen for you there to go to Orca, and you can search for group projects using the keyword group. While searching, I suggest to make a list of a few community organizations to partner with in case your first choice isn't available during your preferred date and time. This also may be helpful in the future if you'd like to organize another service project for your student organization. If you aren't able to find a service project that works for you in your student organization, please contact us here at the Civic and Community Engagement Office for further assistance, or go to cce.buffalostate.edu. The next step you want to take is contacting the community organization. So once you have found a service project that fits the interest, goals, and mission of your student organization, you will want to contact the community partner. Try to contact them pretty quickly, right away. You should have a phone number listed or email listed on Orca to contact the community organization. Remember to use professional skills such as returning calls or emails in a timely manner, being polite, respectful, organized. Be sure to communicate time, date, and how many members of your student organization will be participating. Also, try to contact the community organization again 2 to 3 days before the scheduled project date to verify details such as time, date, location, and the total number of participants you plan on bringing. So, it's the day of the service project. Be sure to introduce yourself and your members to the community organization staff you will be working with. This is helpful not only for them, but for you as well. They should, when you reach the site and you make your introductions, provide you with some information about the organization before you begin the service project, such as information on the mission, the organization, other basic things they might want to cover with you. If they haven't done that, make sure you ask about it politely before you begin your service project. So, the service project is over. Be sure to thank the community partner before you leave the project site. Thank them for the time and effort they put in to help organize an event for your student organization. Also, you might want to write a thank you letter to the community partner and have the members or leaders of your student organization sign it. Community partners appreciate this extra effort and will remember it if you would like to have a service project with them again in the future. So, I've created this example of the Buffalo State Bike Club to kind of go along these steps and give you a more thorough sense of what it's like to organize a service project for a student organization. So we have Ben, who is the president of the Buffalo State Bike Club. Ben has thought about having a service project for his student organization. So they have the common interest of riding bicycles and enjoying the outdoors. That's the main reasons why they formed the Buffalo State Bike Club. Besides their annual fundraiser and bike trip, they don't really have many events throughout the semester, so they don't really have much to conflict with a service project as far as time goes for that. So then the next step was participation. Ben emailed the 27 active members about the possibility of a service project, and 18 said they would be available to participate. Next, transportation. So the bike club members would like to bike to the service project site if the weather is nice enough. But if the weather seems unfit to ride bicycles in, the members that are planning to participate all have NFTA bus passes that they can use. Next, schedule. So, since the organization already meets on Saturday mornings, the leaders decided that they would like to participate in a service project on a Saturday, since they've already set that time aside. They would like to do a half-day project either in the morning or the early afternoon, if possible. So, next step, Ben took that feedback from them and searched for opportunities on Orca. He entered keyword as a group, New York as the state, and volunteer as the job type. He was able to find 2 upcoming opportunities that his organization members may be interested in. After consulting with the other club leaders, they decided to have interested club members volunteer at the Buffalo Niagara Waterkeepers Spring Shoreline Sweep event. So Ben contacted the Buffalo Niagara Waterkeeper by email and the contact person listed on Orca to sign up the 18 members for the event. He was given information about what his group will be doing, any necessary waivers to fill out, and he was also provided with other details. So the day of the service project has arrived. The members were able to bike to the event location together. Ben has collected their completed waivers the week prior and had them with him to turn in at the registration desk the day of the event. When the members arrived, they introduced themselves to the community organization staff person who would be leading them during the event, and that person talked to them about what Buffalo Niagara Waterkeeper does for the area. So, last step. After the service project, before they left, the participants thanked the community organization staff person who led them during the event. The next time the Buffalo State Bike Club met, Ben brought a thank you card for the participants to sign to mail to the Buffalo Niagara Waterkeeper. Alright, so that's it. If you need any help, please contact us at the Civic and Community Engagement Office for information on how to connect you to community organizations. Call us at the number listed on your screen there. Email us, you can go to our website, or drop by our office in South Wing 130. Thanks!